भुवनेश्वर किट कैंपस रे इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ लॉ रो भित्ति प्रस्तर स्थापन। सुप्रीम कोर्ट जस्टिस उदय उमेश ललित, जस्टिस भूषण रामकृष्णन गभाई, जस्टिस बी राम सुब्रमण्यम और भारतीय बार काउंसिल अध्यक्ष मनन कुमार मिश्र प्रमुख जोगदे एहार शिलान्यास करिसेंति। सेहीपरि एडवोकेट जनरल अशोक परिचा एवं बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ट्रस्ट एसोसिएट मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी अच्युत सामंत कार्यक्रम में सामिल होइछंति। किट सहायता एवं बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ट्रस्ट जरिया भारतीय आईन प्रतिष्ठान प्रतिष्ठा करा जायछि।
The Bar Council of India through its trust has taken the initiative to establish the IIL, the Model Institute of Law Teachers Academy, continuous legal education and research. The academy would primarily be for the teachers of law. Now, I had given some of my time on this issue, on this agenda to Dr. N.L. Mitra. He has already introduced. I will not take much of your time. Only few important things. In fact, IIL will be the first of its kind in the country. Such institution was long contemplated by BCI Trust, but the idea of Bar Council of India could not be materialized due to one or the other reason. The Bar Council of India and its trust finally contacted Dr. Achyuta Samanta, a visionary, academician and founder of KIT and KISS. We are grateful to Dr. Samanta. The distinguished educationist has accepted our proposal and provided not only the land for the establishment of this institution, but also has agreed to provide substantial building with 1.5 lakh square feet constructed area. The most important thing is Dr. Samanta, that is the KIT, is not taking anything in return. This is a generous gesture of Dr. Samanta. We all know Dr. Samanta, who is the founder of medical, engineering, management, nursing, law, arts and several other big institutes, provides free boarding, lodging and food to about 35,000 children belonging to tribal and downtrodden families every day, apart from providing them free education right from class 1 till post-graduation. We have never seen or heard of such a great man in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, true happiness in life does not lie in accumulating wealth or means or getting big projects. All these are temporary and do not last long. If you are able to bring a smile on the faces of poor, handicapped, orphans, children, that is the real happiness. If you are able to provide for them a little fun, cheerfulness, you are a fortunate man on this earth. And you will be remembered with respect even after your life. I used to visit KISS, see thousands of children and glow of happiness on their faces after seeing Dr. Samanta. This experience has really changed the attitude of my life. You, the people of Odisha, know that Dr. Samanta has remained unmarried, does not possess a single piece of land or property in his name. Whatever he has is for the society and for the poor, deprived and helpless people. Bar Council of India Trust would express its deep gratitude to Dr. Samanta for his generous support to legal education and legal fraternity. Friends, IIL we have resolved to actively involve and take the aid, assistance and guidance of honorable sitting and former judges of Supreme Court and High Courts, renowned jurists and senior advocates, eminent leaders of the bar and persons of eminence besides noted law teachers of NLUs and other renowned academicians. As per their position, they will be the teachers, guides and honorary guest teachers of IIL. Friends, I also welcome Dr. Faizan Mustafa, the noted academician of the country, and Dr. Chakrabarti, the Vice Chancellor, the honorable judges of Odisha High Court, sitting and former, who have come to grace the occasion.